The Squirrels. All right, I think we all know these kind of people, no matter what it is. Maybe it's your dog and you're going along and suddenly squirrel, they start going a different direction. No matter what your job is, what your function is, we all know these types of individuals. I actually love these kind of developers, to be honest, because you can learn a lot of good things from them. These are the people that are always looking to, what is everybody else doing out there? And, what are the new things and what's on the bleeding edge? And sometimes you operate and you live on the bleeding edge, and that's the place where you need to be. But that's not where you want to be if you are in the middle of an enterprise software project, something that's big, is that if you find yourself developing something that's the newest technology and you get halfway through and you're like, oh, wow, that's cool. And you try and build that technology in and you find yourself with a solution that is really all over the place. That's the best case scenario. The worst case scenario is that you find yourself all over the place, but the software framework or stack or whatever they decide to implement doesn't exist in a year. So now you've got this monster of an application with all these different pieces and parts, which half of it is not supported by the original developers or companies that came up with it. So you find yourself in a real bad situation. But there's some, the good parts of the Squirrel is that they are always looking for new things, always looking for new techniques, new methods, and that's fantastic. Just make sure you're reining in this personality type. Good luck.